Greetings, fellow Gators. Welcome to another part of the Project Apophis helmet. And as you can see, the prototype is printed. Now, first thing first, why do I have a golden helmet and a silver body? It's simple. I ran out of the golden filament and it was actually out of stock, so I had no other choice. But it doesn't really bother me that much because the next shipment of the golden filament should arrive today. So I plan to reprint the bust out of golden so that they are matching. Okay, that out of the way, I would like to describe what I did, some changes that I made, and what's next for this project. So this was basically R&D project at its full. I made changes and improvements on the fly based on how I assembled it, and that is why basically this helmet is in a way unique because the final data are a little bit different. There are quite a lot of improvements over this one. So what I actually plan is now to print another helmet, which would be from this gray silver material, and so that it fits. And that one will be based or printed according to the final data. So it should be improved over this one. It should be better in all ways. Um, on this one, I was forced to use even some glue to put few things together, but on the finished version, there should be used some glue, but only very small amount and only in few places, which I will showcase later. Okay, so I would like to show you in detail how the model looks. Now, as you can see, based on my hands, it's quite big. Okay, but I think that the thing you want to see most is the opening and closing. So I will open it. Now, as you have seen, I opened it using this head. Sorry, uh, it's simple. Um Opening it like I wanted to open really stress the entire mechanism, and I I am not sure if this prototype would endure if I did it like it's supposed to. The final version will be sturdier, so there it shouldn't be a problem. So just to be safe, because I don't want it to break. Okay, now from the start you can see that the head is kind of wobbly. This is something that shouldn't be occurring in the final data. Uh, and yeah, you can see that the head is fully revealed. Yeah, sorry for it. I am not no artist, so that's the best I could have done. Uh, so at least the front is, in my opinion, better than what we saw in the series. But it's true, it has now very big backpack, I guess. And in real life, if it was in 1:1 scale, I'm not sure how would it actually uh, it wouldn't be really great. Uh, one of the issue that I have is that the entire head assembly is heavy, so I plan to in the second print to print all the parts that make the serpent head only from 5% infill to reduce the weight at least little. Okay, so now the closing. Uh, The closing works quite well, even doing it like I wanted from the bottom, but I have a problem that this helmet is not properly fixed to the bust, logically, because it will not stay there. And because it's not properly fixed, uh, there is no place to I don't know how to describe it, but basically it prevents me for fully using the force, and basically the better it will be if I do it like this. And yeah, here you can see that it's not fully there. Okay, I will once again open it, and I can close it from this side. At least you will see it from the back, because here I can at least use my fingers and put the pressure here. Yeah, but the thing, because it's not properly fixed, I cannot use that pressure. But if I do it like that, then I can. One thing, as you can see, the two halves don't hold that great together, even with the pegs, so using a little bit of glue is not something which I would mind. Okay, so yeah, that's it, and yeah, I will try to open it like it's supposed to, but I'm not sure. Yeah, there's not much space to actually grab it, so it's not that easy. But as you have seen, it eventually opened. And the closing is much easier, though, like I said, not properly fixing it, the helmet makes an issue. Okay, so I would say that's about it. So you can now expect another part in which I will go through the model again, showcase what I changed, and print it and assemble it, because this is rather complex build. So I will basically make a video about the assembly, so that you are also able to do it if you want it. Because I'm afraid that on your own, only with the files, you won't be able to put it together. Okay, then I guess that's all. So you can, in the next year, you can expect other videos in this series. For now, I will wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I really hope that you enjoyed this helmet. I certainly did, and I'm really proud how it went down. Okay, so that's it. Have a nice day, and bye bye.